Despite the fact we now have 2 vaccines, the majority of Texans are still months away from getting the shots, and the virus is spreading out of control. Texas set another record for number of cases in a single day. The state is reporting more than 19,000 new infections and another 3,400 probable cases. Hospitalizations have soared well past 10,000 patients, and things aren't looking much better in our part of the state. As Eric Alvarez reports, public health experts are warning us, don't let your guard down over Christmas.
As families across North Texas get ready to take some time off around the holidays, things are only getting more and more difficult for healthcare workers as rising COVID-19 hospitalizations are bringing a physical and an emotional toll.
I'm sorry, it's been a really bad year.
The staff at Cook Children's Hospital in Fort Worth, exhausted. But on Wednesday, they're dealing with 18 COVID-19 patients and a rolling 7-day average that continues to climb.
I'm truly exhausted mentally and physically.
The rise in hospitalizations can be seen throughout Tarrant County and in neighboring Dallas County, where doctors and nurses at Parkland are treating 145 COVID-19 patients on Wednesday.
It feels like a war zone.
Dr. Padmaja Reddy has been helping COVID-19 patients in the Parkland ICU since the global pandemic began.
It's some mixture of fatigue and grief and fear still.
Watching patients isolated in their final moments is the hardest, but what keeps her going are the workers by her side and the patients they've saved.
And I go back to those every single time I have a hard day.
But unless the numbers reverse their trend, those hard days will get even harder.
What we really struggle with on a day-to-day basis is finding enough nurses, finding enough RTs, finding enough doctors.
With Christmas and New Year's right around the corner,
I get it. I miss my family too.
Dr. Reddy has a request for all of us.
Please do stay home. Please wear a mask. It's such a small thing. And now that the vaccine is here, we have hope, but we all have to do the right thing in the meantime because it's going to be a really rough couple of months.
In Fort Worth, I'm Eric Alvarez.